All right. I look so chopped right now, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that you have to view me in this way, but I just threw on a shirt and took a trade because I didn't want to miss out on my trading idea and trading model. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here real quick, give you guys a little introduction. It was a solid idea, solid trade. Really happy with everything. Yeah, there's not really much to talk about. I mean, it was W. I'm happy. And the Discord members cooked as well today, so we'll jump into that for like 30 seconds. So this is what the members are coming on. Came into this Discord after finding minimal success with supply and demand. I'll trade until I'm consistent. And my G is on a green streak. So he's trading on a paper account. And this is essentially what I have my members do that are currently failing. Is I tell them to apply the model on paper for a week and then buy a funded account. Just so they're practicing good habits. Phase out with a clean continuation. Audrey made 1,500 on his funded account, on his combine. Jason also cooked. Here's his executions. But little scalps on this low probability day. My G, accountability, right? Accountability. And this is what I also have the members do. So like specifically, like I have them like basically send trades if they took like a break even or a loss, so then we can hold them accountable. No over trading should do the job. 50K combine, he's up $600. So building good habits, been de-risked, exactly, literally. So he's been on a green streak as well. Passed top step and made 400 on my live. So he had 1,500 on the top step combine that he passed, and then he made $400 on his live account, which is good. But yeah, so honestly, I just like wanted to show you guys that because I feel like as traders, you need a community to hold you accountable, right? Like you need people to hold you accountable because ultimately that will help you succeed at so much more of a faster rate of return. Like if you can have people specifically that hold you accountable on a day-to-day basis, and like even if you're doing good, but let's say you're practicing bad habits while you're doing good, you know? So like, let's say you made money, but you over traded. Basically my community is a place in which you'll get scorched for that because the whole basis of understanding is like, okay, I want to build the best community as possible and I want everyone in it to hold each other accountable, right? So yeah, like anytime someone does stupid shit, I get pinged like death. Like it'll be at someone, and then I'll just send them a voice memo of doom where they just get screamed at for taking stupid trades or doing stupid things. But anyways, W day, I want to give you guys a little setup update because the setup is coming together. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty clean now. But yeah, so we got the wide screen, long screen. We got the MacBook. I just bought that like a couple weeks ago, and then Max Pros. I don't even know why I bought those. Honestly, like this was like the stupidest purchase I've ever done in my life. It was like $500, and I literally never used the headphones. I honestly think over-ear headphones are just dorkish. And then we got the watches. Little Go Yard wallet, the Aqua 4 in case I just look chopped. Then we got the beautiful PC. So setup's coming together. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do, let me know. I have this little painting up like to make my background look good, but like I don't even know. Like I feel like I want to do something else with it. Like I want to put like some form of like a foam up here and then maybe like a foam up here or like some wooden planks up here. To make everything look nicer. And then like setup wise, if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do, my PC is pretty good. I don't really need a new PC. It has everything that I need in terms of specs and everything. And then I also got a calm little what is this called? What the hell is this called? Like humidifier? Not humidifier, but like, I don't know. I put lavender in it and it makes my room smell good. And then I got this little shit. But yeah, dude, this monitor is like actually like a piece of meat. Like, bro, this shit looks like a wide body from the back, you know, pause. But yeah, we got the second phone aura. Ooh, second phone aura. We got the second phone aura. But yeah, so beautiful day out. Very, very beautiful day out. W trade. Anyways, just a little setup update. But yeah, give me any suggestions. If you guys know any cool components or parts to make it look like more pretty, I guess. And then also, give me a better, if you guys can, give me a better webcam that like you guys can spot. Because like I'm just recording off Loom right now. I feel like it's such shitty production. Like I see so many people do like OBS, and then on OBS they do like a really nice webcam and like all this stuff. And like you guys can just give me any suggestions. Like I'm not gonna penny pinch and just be like, oh, what's the cheapest camera? Like let me know. Like if you guys have any suggestions on like how to overall better the quality of the content that produces, because I love constructive criticism. I don't like hating, but I like constructive criticism. Like if you guys want to let me know, like if you do this aspect better or that aspect better, I love feedback, you know. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Very calm day, very relaxed day. It's nice and sunny out. So I'm gonna go to the gym, get a little chest day in. That's also why I'm a little bit more happy today, because it's chest day and it's not leg day or any other stupid shit. So gonna go pump some iron. I'm also thinking I kind of wanted to start doing day in the lives, where I show my execution in the day in the life, but then I take you guys on my day in the life. The problem is my life is just kind of boring right now, guys. Like I only work. That's I don't do anything cool. That's also why I want to go get the car ASAP, because I feel like it'll be like some form of a content production thing, like where I can just like have fun and show you guys that I'm having fun. Just be like, yeah, guys. Yeah, that car's getting tuned the second I buy it, by the way. M8 Comp is getting stage 2 plus, catless downpipe. I don't care if I get state refed. I'm in California right now, so the laws are kind of cooked, but I actually don't care. Like if you think I'm gonna keep my car stock, it's like actually a joke. So I think once I get the car, it'll be a little bit more like content-y vibe. I'm just like trying to figure out a bunch of things about it. And I'm also looking for good specs, because there's not really any good specs for the M8 Comp on the market right now in a reasonable price. Like they're all going above, or sorry, at MSRP for like a good spec. And I'm not paying MSRP. I'm not paying 120, 130, 140 grand for M8 Comp when they depreciate. Like the second you get off the lot, they're like 60 grand less than they are, you know? But yeah, so enjoy the rest of your day. I love y'all. I know I yapped a lot, so there'll probably be timestamps if you guys just want to skip the yap. But anyways, it's gonna be it. Love y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I'm gonna slap on 5 minis here. There we go. Stop will go there. Okay. Let me make my screen bigger. Okay. So my take profit might get moved because today is a low probability day. This is an example of one of my model entries, and I can kind of give you guys a little bit of hints. So essentially there's SMT, where's SMT? SMT was here. So on a low probability day, it's hard to spot low probability days, right? It's essentially, it's hard to spot low probability days if you don't know what to look for, right? Specifically with news, specifically with all these different external factors, right? I'm sorry, my throat is up. I have so much mucus. But anyways, SMT here, right? Low probability day in anticipation of this getting used as generated liquidity. We sweep this internal high. Now I want to see displacement back lower. And on the 5 to 15 minute time frame, I see this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. So that is ideally what I like, or what I'm liking to see happen, right? So my stop loss was 6.5 points. My take profit is roughly 40 points. So I'm going to move my stop to break even once we get a little bit more displacement through the swing low, because if the body closes above it or we just come back above it, it's permissible for price to accumulate in this 5 minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, which it's looking like it kind of wants to do right now. The nice part is we don't have any SMT anymore, so now it is permissible for price to continue lower. So that's essentially what's happening now. But ideally, I would love to see this 5 minute displace and close below the swing low, because that would tell me the ideal objective of what price is trying to do, which is formulated with my bias of filling this 15-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Higher time frame also is indicating we should reverse. Here's a 90-minute. And then on top of that, right, we have this very weird candle open, which typically what I've noticed is when we have this very odd candle open here, this typically acts as like a magnet, for example. Like it acts like a magnet in which price will retrace to, right? So dropping down back on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, about to close in 9 seconds. Ideally, I would want to see it where it is now or lower. If we start retracing higher, it's not really the best signatures for this next 5-minute candle open. But I honestly have high faith in this setup because a lot of people definitely have long biases up here and they're actively getting used as generated liquidity for prices to then retrace back into this discounted area or this area that is acting as a magnet, right? So take profit's about to get hit. What's the RR? Just that 1 to 4. Honestly, I should have taken profit there. But I'm gonna just set my limit down here at 30 points actually. And the reason why I want to do that is just because we're in this little 1 minute buy side imbalance. And in the 5 minute, we kind of already came into this 5 minute buy side imbalance. So we might honestly not even get this level one more time. I think honestly we will though, because on the 15 minute we still have a little bit more. And I think this honestly is CE. This would be CE. I got filled out of 2 cons there. Oh god, dude. That was terrible. Okay. Dude. Oh my god, that was stupid. But anyways, there was 5 contracts there. I got filled out of 2 on the retracement, and then there was still a 5 limit there, so then it entered long 2 there, if that makes sense. But there you go. There's a 1 to 4 RR. Solid. And now I'm anticipating price retracing back higher. So total profit on that was roughly $3,000. Maybe a little bit less because of that issue. It was probably like $29.50 or something like that. But yeah, so that was solid. There's the only executions. It's gonna show up weird just because I had 5 limit orders there, and there was only 3 contracts remaining on the trail because I got filled for 2 there. If that makes sense. But yeah, there's 1 to 4.4, 30 points, 6.75 stop loss on a low probability day. And there's one of my models that I have yet to talk about actually. And I'm gonna drop the lecture. I've been edging my Discord members. I'm gonna drop a lecture on this model specifically. But yeah, so coming back into like narrative on what it was. So higher time frame was indicating we should rebalance price into this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. 15 minute saying the exact same thing. 30 minute saying the exact same thing. 5 minute also saying the exact same thing. So my whole bias of entry was okay. Price comes up, right? We see this internal generated liquidity here. So once that occurs, I now want to see what price does here. We have a very good sell-off. I kind of missed a solid entry like up here to capture like another 20, 30 points. Yeah, and then ES also had SMT with that swing high there as well. So it's really internal model. And this is the nice part, guys, is price is fractal. The same model you guys can spot on a 5, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily is the same model you can spot on a 1 minute, right? So on like a 5 minute, for example, you look at this and you're like, what the fuck is this? You know, like where's the model entry? What am I looking for here? But then on the 1 minute, you drop down and it's like, okay, internal liquidity, SMT, anticipation of a reversal, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. That's the target. Because price needs to rebalance, right? Price is a mathematical equation in which it rebalances every single day of the week, right? So there we go. There's the, I don't even know how long of a green streak we're in now. But yeah, so this is now a huge sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and technically this is like now a inverse fair value gap. So ideally, I want to see what price does in this general range. Like if we get a if this 90-minute candle closes in the next hour bullish in this general range, I would anticipate the PM session to be bullish. Like if we don't get a body closure below this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, I then from there would anticipate that price would go higher, right? But higher time frame narrative is bearish. We have this daily total soup. There's the 1 minute executions again. But yeah, so I'm excited. That's pretty much it. If you made it to the end of this executions, DM me the word I love you, Salmon, or comment the word I love you, Salmon. But yeah, boys, so that's gonna be it. I might trade the funded for the first time tomorrow. I'm not sure. The live funded account's just been sitting there. If you guys remember, I posted like a video like a week ago or something. It's just like I love trading my live because it's like when I make money, I make actual money and it's directly there. There's no, I have to wait for a payout. There's no payout split. There's no trailing. There's no this. There's no that. It's just nice. It's speed, you know? Like I like speed. So that's the only reason why I've been refraining. If I end up taking execution on it, I will let you guys know. But yeah, sure. This could be it. I love y'all. Yeah. Later.